Okay, I got another bulk box here. This one is got toys and games, dolls and stuffed animals, general merchandise. I'm going to open this up and show you what's inside. All right, we're gonna check this out. It is toys and games, dolls, stuffed animals, general merchandise, Pillow Fort, Power Rangers, Bright Starts. Original retail is $4.55. I paid $65 for it. I actually bought it in a set of 4, so I paid about $30 in shipping, so $65 plus the $35, $95 total. There's 38 items in it. It weighs 14 pounds, and it is uninspected returns. So just remember that it's uninspected returns. This is not new product. This is basically just product that they didn't inspect, and what you get. Most of the time when I do uninspected returns, it's in fairly decent condition, but the nice thing about it is price wise I get it for a much better price than I do anything brand new. So there is a lot of times I find actual brand new items, but just be very careful when you're listing on Amazon to make sure that you list things that are in pristine brand new condition. If not, always put the used like new scenario. So let's see what we got. Oh, these are cute. Look at that camel, embroidered camel, Pillow Fort, decorative pillow. If you look real close, it's got a barcode on it. And so that's gonna make it real nice and easy to find. Even if you can't find the barcode on Amazon, a lot of times I will Google it and you can find out what it's called, then look up the item with the title. So here's another camel. I'm just gonna lay out these fun little camels. Here's another one. I'll fold this in so it's not in the way. There we go. It's another one. So gorgeous day to be unboxing. Here's another one. So I've got 4 so far. Let's see what else we got. Another one. These are so cute. I love them. All right, let's see. We got some other stuff in here. Here is a Keychain Batman collectible plush. So a cute little Batman plush. If you're interested in any of these items, you can check them out on Amazon or my eBay store. And I just started a Poshmark store, which I'll put down in the listing of this one. Here's a vinyl figure. It says only at Target Mystery Minis. It looks like it's the Flintstones, Looney Tunes. It's got some exclusive Sylvester, but it is opened here. And so I'll probably just pull it out and sell just the figurine itself. So that'll probably be an eBay item because it won't be brand new. Here's a Bright Starts. It's basically taggy toys. It comes with a blanket and an elephant, and it looks like a little kind of clip-on car seat keychain, but it's got all the what they would call taggies, little ribbons and stuff that babies like to play with. So my daughter loved her taggy when she had it. Oh, another camel. And then let's see, we've got a baby blankets, definitely not new, but something that I could probably put on eBay or my Poshmark site. All right, let's see. We've got a fun little toy, baby squeeze. It almost looks like it's missing the bottom, so I'll keep looking and see if I'm missing a piece to it. But it's a little toy, and I'll see if there's a missing part. Here is a broken half of an alligator. So if you need just alligator teeth, here you go. Just let me know. I'll sell it to you, give you a good deal. All right. High five, anyone? High five. Psh, high five. This is a emoji. It's the hand emoji with the face. It's got little feet on it. I'm thinking it comes from the Emoji Movie. It does come from the Emoji Movie. He even has a Band-Aid on his finger. So that's super cute. I love it. Alrighty. This is some sort of a shooting. Oh, I think it's a squirt gun. So this is a squirt gun where it's the foam squirt gun that you can use in the pool. I think I got more than one of these. Yeah, here's one. There's another blue one. And then I've got a green one. So awesome. I got 3 kids, so if I can't sell them, then now I got 3 toys. All right, this is a snow digger. So if you want to dig in the snow and don't want to get your hands all wet, it looks kind of like a dinosaur claw. So the snow digger, wrong season for it, but you never know. People live in Alaska. This is a very beat up Galaxy Slime Gloop. So sometimes with unexpected returns, this is what you get. I bet it has everything in there. So I could probably take it out and sell it on eBay with all the parts. Just the box is really beat up. So I'll have to check that out and inspect it. I have a Fisher Price playset. Looks like it probably came in a box, but doesn't anymore, so I will check it out. This will probably be an eBayable item. All right, we've got a fire truck. Looks like it's got, this looks like it comes from one of those Pet Pals movies. It's got a Dalmatian dog that goes with it. All right, we've got Nitro, Nano Nitro. It is a battery-powered robot. If you can look real close, it looks kind of like a little tiny millipede or something like that. It takes, it's got batteries in it. It's cute. So you can see the batteries in the bottom, and then you can see the barcode there. So it looks like it walks around and stuff like that. So if you want to creep someone out with a little bug. All right, this looks like it's a fun little baby toy, weather shield house. Yeah, it says Peanut, ERA group. So it's some sort of a blanket with it covers the car seat. Oh, okay. If you look down in this corner, you can see a picture of what it is. It basically is a little cover. Keep baby out of the weather and out of the sun. So probably the summer equivalent of those little winter covers. Here's a Power Rangers costume piece. Features light up chest armor. You can become the Yellow Ranger with it. So light up chest armor. Here's another one of those covers, but this one's a blue one with a lion on it. Let's see what else we got. Too short. All right. This one is Overwatch backpack hangers. So it's basically a keychain for your backpack, and it's from the Overwatch. So it looks like it has been opened. So I'll probably just pull it out and sell it on eBay. All right, Power Rangers, another yellow one. Let's see, a few more things in here. Gonna try not to have an avalanche. All right, here is a baby Fisher-Price phone, because you want to start them young on those cell phones. All right, here is a Lego Batman set. Brand new, never been opened. Lego sells really well, even these little tiny ones. So 80 pieces, it's the mini Batman wing. So then we've got a Star Wars notepad with magic reveal marker. So it looks like it's disappearing ink kind of thing. Then we've got Miracle Melters, some sort of a set that does some kind of a crafty kit. All right, here is, from Zootopia, the little police rabbit, I think. Yeah, police rabbit from Zootopia. Very, very cute. Then we've got another little, this is a cube Harley Quinn. One of the little cube stuffed plushies. We've got another stuffed plushie Star Wars one. A random Duplo block, because you need a random Duplo block. You know what? The fact that this has a little barcode on it means that was counted in my items. So that was one of the 38, just so you know. All right, Happy Places Disney Surprise Pack. So it's kind of like the mystery packs, but it's a Disney one. Uno Attack extra cards. So, and they're still wrapped and sealed. And so I should be able to sell that one brand new. All right, one more thing. A Coop inflatable football. So it's like a Nerf one. Looks like it's a Nerf one. So there's my 38 items of toys. It looks like we got a lot of really nice ones. I like these baby toys are really, really nice, especially this taggy thing. I think that's going to sell really, really well. And then the Power Ranger stuff, and we got a lot of fun toys. So I think it's overall for unexpected returns. There's a few things that were opened, but for the most part, I know I can just pull them out of the packaging and probably sell them as is on eBay. Check out my Poshmark site. I'm going to link that in the bottom as well. And so if you're interested in any of this, you can check it out on eBay. I'll link it down in the bottom. And then if you need some ideas on how exactly I pick out some things, I've got some how to shop on bulk ones. And then I've also got a reseller program that you can check out later in the video. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.